Good morning, class. Today we are going to do reading of new chapter number 7, Care for All. There are some people who may not be able to do certain things due to old age or any form of disability. All of them have different needs and require different type of care. Though we must care for all, these people might need our special care and attention. Care for the elderly. Our grandparents are old. As people get old, their bodies may not remain as strong as before. They need a lot of rest, care, and support. We should try to help them in their daily activities. If they fall sick, we should look after them. We must take care of their medical needs. We should spend time with them. Remember, being caring and helpful helps everyone at home. Care for the differently abled. Being differently able means to have a physical or mental condition that limits a person's movements, senses, or activities. Differently able persons are different because they have different set of abilities. Some people who cannot see use braille to read and write. Some people who cannot hear may use hearing aids to hear. Some people who cannot speak may use sign language to communicate. Some people who have difficulty in walking may move around in a wheelchair. We should support the differently able people in their day-to-day life. Visually challenged. People who cannot see are visually challenged. Some people cannot see since birth. Others may lose their sight because of some illness or accident. Visually challenged people use a system of raised dots that they fill with their fingertips to read. This is known as Braille. They go to a special school and learn various crafts and other skills there. We can visit such schools with our elders to spend time with them. We can help them in learning special skills and even write examinations for them. They often use a white cane when they walk. If we see them on road, we must help them cross it. Hearing impaired. Hearing impaired people are unable to hear soft sounds or cannot hear at all. They often use hearing aids to hear. They may not speak very clearly because they do not hear sounds well. They use sign language to communicate. They learn to read the lips of those people talking and guess what they are saying. This is known as lip reading. We should speak slowly and clearly to help them lip read. We should be patient to look at the person while talking. Physically challenged. People who cannot use their arms, legs, and other body parts or to do routine activities are physically challenged. Some people who have difficulty in walking may move around in a wheelchair. We must give them way whenever they are around. We should give them our care and support. Care for the sick. At times, people fall ill and do not feel well. They should rest in a quiet and comfortable place with plenty of fresh air and light. We should not disturb them. We must not make noise around them. People who are sick are generally weak. We can help them by fetching things they need. We should spend time with them so they do not feel lonely. We must keep their surroundings clean. While taking care of the sick, we must take care not to fall ill ourselves.